Today we are at Cascade Springs Nature Preserve. And today, first time ever being here, I am going to take you around and show you some of the trail. And I believe there's a waterfall here or something. So we're going to take you around, show you some of this nature preserve, and I hope you enjoy. So here we go. Okay, right behind me, it looks like somebody's doing some exercising with a group of people, and it looks like Tai Chi. So what I'm going to do is make my way over there and see if I can talk to them and get a little bit of video on this whole thing.
Huh? And close. All right. My name is Barry Murray, and I teach Tai Chi class. And I'm out here every Sunday at 1 o'clock. And we practice Tai Chi. We do many forms. 24 forms, Yan style, 13 forms, Sun style. We're doing 18 forms, Fan, Yan style. We have Sun style, Chin style. So come on out if you have time. Yeah, you can contact me. Email address is eclecticpathwaysatl@gmail.com. And you can come out to the park if you want to meet me and see if we are practicing 1 o'clock Sundays.
Thank you.
All right.
Great. Wow, it was so nice. The exercise is Tai Chi, and Barry, for giving me that interview, it was great. Tells about his business. We come out here every Sunday, like he said, and I hope you enjoy. All right, we're gonna head right down this trail. Let's see how we like this. And I forgot to mention who's coming along on this trail with us. It is Max and Tina. Max was dying to get out. He was dying to get out of the house today and bothering Tina, and she called me and said, let's go hiking. So I picked out this trip here. Max is all excited, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, we're coming up to the pump house. This is called the pump house. And this is it right here. And we'll come inside here and take a look what this may be. A lot of graffiti nowadays. But this here looks like a big boiler. And that's what I believe it is. Some sort of boiler where they put wood in there and got it all going. And back out again. And we are gonna head straight down that way. Oh wow. Look at this over here. Okay, what this is the spring house. So I guess this is an actual spring here. Down there, the water looks really clear. And this is what this whole thing looks like. Wow, that's pretty interesting. Okay, we're gonna head right this way. Get you a good look at them. And this is what this area is. And this here is called the Welcome to the Frog Pond. All right, this is the frog pond right here. And that's where they have all these really cool benches. All painted. I think it's a great idea. It gives the place a little color here. Hey Max, who is that? Know who we're talking about here? Got big dogs. This looks like a little church service type of thing, or maybe they teach people something about the park and about the Civil War and everything that might have came through here. I'm gonna get up here. Has a little podium. There we go. Look at that. This is cool. I really like this. We're coming down to the waterfalls. I don't expect them to be real big, but should be nice. Look at this down here. This is where the dogs play.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see. From up here,
Okay.
the world seems small.
Down this way.
We can sit together. It's
is
so
nice.
beautiful. You and me.
What a great hike that was, and a little waterfall, and
We meant to be.
it was a fun time out at Cascade Springs
in the great
Nature
outdoors.
Preserve. I've never been here before. I'm glad I came. I highly recommend it. And thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe. See you next time on Here We Go.
Sometimes you need